Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the second question in exercise 3.1. Now let's look at the question. On comparing the ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. So let us take the first equation. The equation is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. The second equation is 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So in order to check whether the lines are parallel or intersect or coincide, we need to calculate A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So for the given input lines, the A1 is going to be 5, the A2 is going to be 7. So A1 by A2 is 5 by 7. B1 by B2 is going to be minus 4 by 6. And for C1 by C2, it is plus 8 by minus 9. If you compare the fractions, 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 4 by 6. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by D2. Therefore, the two lines intersect. So in this fashion, these two lines intersect. So this is what they expected us to find out. So the next subdivision, let us check what the values are. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. The second equation is 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. So again we are going to calculate the value of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So now let us take the value. A1 is 9, A2 is 18, B1 is 3, B2 is 6. C1 is 12, C2 is 24. If you simplify in each of these cases, the answer is 1 by 2. So in this case, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So if this condition is true, then that means one line overlaps with the other, which means the lines are coincident. Okay, so in the first case they intersect and in this case they are going to be coincident. Now let us take the last subdivision. It is 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So let us again calculate A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So in this case, it is 6 by 2, minus 3 by minus 1, 10 by 9. If you see, A1 by A2 is 6 by 2, which is 3. B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 1. So that is also plus 3. So A1 by A2 is actually equal to B1 by B2. Now, but that is not equal to 10 by 9. So in this case, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. So in this condition, the lines are parallel. So we have just calculated the values to see whether the lines are coincident, parallel or it is intersecting. So in each of these cases, we calculate the value of A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, and we have checked the relationships to find out their values. In the next video, we will try to solve the third question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.